Okay, here we are, 2928, Nevermind. This is the neighborhood. So right there is South Carefree. So you're 4 houses deep off South Carefree, which does have a fair amount of traffic. There's directly across the street. Everybody's house over here looks pretty good. None of the neighbors are crappy. All the yards look like they're well kept. I'm sure there's probably going to be one of those neighbors somewhere, but all in close proximity look good. So here's the front of the house. And you do have a long walkway covered. Sprinkler system. Looks like it has a nice yard. But you walk in, or trip in this case. And I'm going to show you the garage first because that was the most unusual thing that I found. But here's the garage. You can kind of get a scope. It's a smaller than usual door. So, I mean, you can access it pretty easy, but still, it's not a standard door by any means. But here's the garage. Good sized garage. 2-car storage. It's cold in this garage today. It's very cold this morning. So let me back up. Because I want to show you that again. See if you can kind of see how narrow that door is. Wide enough to get into, but just kind of unusual that it's so small. So then here is the entryway. You do have tile. Now this is not a true wood floor. These are the engineered wood planks. It's not the real cheap one, but not top of the line either. But it all looks to be in pretty good shape. Although, actually, now I'm looking at it, you can see that they actually use 2 different types for the flooring. The one on the left, let's see if you can see this. Yeah, you can see the difference there. The one on the left looks like a more expensive one than the one on the right. But anyway, this is a wood burning fireplace, and it's a pass-through, so you have it on 2 sides, which is very cool. So this is the living room as you walk in. It's like newer windows all the way around. Not huge. Certainly very nice. Here's the kitchen. Now the countertops are from mica. Cabinets look nice. All of the appliances are stainless. You do have a nice window here. Can't really see the mountains, but you do have a view out the back. And then here's a little, I already saw that in the pictures, on the exterior where you have a pass-through, you can, or a bar that you can sit at outside, I guess. And then there's the other side of the fireplace. You actually have a lot of counter space. And if it were granite, it'd look beautiful, actually. But I know people. like this. Then here's your dining room. So you can put a good sized table in there. We'll go outside in just a moment. And you could definitely add air here. All right, here's the bathroom that serves 2 bedrooms up here, and also a guest bathroom. This is tile on the floor, not laminate. Although the job they did right there was, it looks all right, just kind of unusual. Looks like they did it themselves, but it looks good. So that's coming out of the kitchen, living room, bathroom, stairs going down, which we'll go down there in a second. And then here's the bedrooms up here. Straight ahead you have a linen closet, first bedroom. Not a huge room. None of the bedrooms actually are too big. Master, of course, is the biggest, but even it's not huge. Second bedroom, about the same as the first. And here's the master. All the carpet's in good shape. Not a big closet. Tall closet. And then there's the master bathroom. There's one sink. So not a real big bathroom. I mean, it's sufficient for what you need, but not real big. All right, then we're gonna go downstairs. And then downstairs, you have a big area here. Long family room. A lot of space. Popcorn ceiling. Now this is a gas fireplace, which is kind of cool. And you don't have any mess down here to ever deal with. I can see the pilot light is lit. Then you have a bedroom here. Now this is a pretty good sized bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom in the house. So that's a big room. And then right next to it is your utility room, which can't really tell how old. Sorry, they don't look too old. It looks like they had a water softener at one time. It doesn't look to be hooked up though. Oh, this is where your washer and dryer go. So there's your washer. And there's your dryer. So this is your laundry room too. And then there is another bedroom down here, and there's a bathroom in here. This bedroom isn't very big either. I mean, this would be a nice guest room because of the bathroom. Again, towel on the floor. 3/4 bathroom, so you have a shower in here as well, just like the master. Alright, so then I'm gonna go back upstairs and go outside. Nice little deck here. And again, you can see South Carefree up there where the cars are going by. And then you do have the greenway down here, the walking trails. But this is a nice yard. And you can see the neighbors over here. They do have a partial fence over here. It looks like just a privacy fence. And then they have a fence on this side, but it is the half fence down lower. But let's walk down here. Now on this yard, you have a level of about, 3 feet, 5 feet from the top of the fence. So what you could do because it looks like all of the fences here are the half fence. I don't see anybody with... Well, that's not true. There is at the top, the very first house does have a higher fence, but it's still not 6 foot. It looks about like this one next door, which is about 3.5, 4 feet. So you could, where this split rail is, see that there's a wall all the way down. Again, it's about 3 foot. You could build a half wall or a half fence up here all the way across, and then put a gate here or down here. Or right there. You just build a half fence, or like a 3 foot. Surely they'd allow you to do that. I mean, the neighbors have done it in partial, right there. So I'm venturing to say you can't build a 6 foot fence right here. I saw your text about the covenants in HOA, and it's $258 a year. But that's this house. Although I do want to show you a little bit more, just to give you a true feel of it. I think you could put a fence up there very easily to contain the dogs within the yard. And then they would even have to come down to the side. So you could put the gate here to allow access. But again, put even just the height of the top of the post. And then just section right here that couldn't go past. All right, well, the fence would be the big question, I guess. To see if you could do anything different, because if you could put that kind of fence, that'd be nice. But anyway, let me get this to you. Talk to you soon.